Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the IAS Companion. Today, we delve into the pivotal role of the Vice President of India, an office that stands as a beacon of continuity and constitutional balance within a democratic framework. Much like its American counterpart, the Vice Presidency in India holds significant symbolic and functional importance, serving as the second highest office in the land. Election process. Let's begin with the election process. Unlike the direct election of the president, the vice president is elected indirectly by members of an electoral college comprising both houses of parliament. This college differs from the one electing the president as it includes both elected and nominated members of parliament but excludes members of state legislative assemblies. This distinction arises from the vice president's primary role as the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, where the influence of state legislators is not as pronounced. Qualifications and oath. To be eligible for the office of vice president, a candidate must meet certain qualifications: Indian citizenship, age of at least 35 years, eligibility for Rajya Sabha membership, and absence of any office of profit under governmental or public authorities. Candidates are nominated by a specific number of electors and must make a security deposit. Before assuming office, the Vice President takes an oath to uphold the Constitution and faithfully discharge his duties. Term, vacancy, and removal. The Vice President serves a term of 5 years and can resign at any time. Unlike the President, the Vice President can be removed by a resolution passed by both Houses of Parliament, requiring 14 days' notice. A vacancy in the Vice Presidency can occur due to term expiration, resignation, removal, death, or disqualification. In case of a vacancy, elections are promptly held to fill the position. Powers and functions. The Vice President's role encompasses two primary functions: presiding over the Rajya Sabha and acting as President when necessary. As the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha, the Vice President exercises powers akin to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In the absence of the President, whether due to resignation, impeachment, or incapacity, the Vice President steps in as acting President for a maximum of 6 months or until a new President is elected. During this period, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha assumes the Vice President's responsibilities in the upper house. Comparative analysis with the American Vice Presidency. While the Indian Vice Presidency shares similarities with its American counterpart, particularly in its role as the presiding officer of the upper house, there are significant differences. Unlike the American Vice President, who ascends to the presidency in case of a vacancy, the Indian Vice President merely acts as President until a new one is elected. This distinction underscores the Vice President's role as a guardian of political continuity rather than a direct successor to executive power. In conclusion, while some may dub the Vice Presidency as His Superfluous Highness, its significance lies in its constitutional mandate to ensure the smooth functioning of our democracy. As the custodian of parliamentary decorum and a temporary steward of executive authority, the Vice President occupies a unique position at the heart of India's democratic ethos. Thank you.